Lying out, avoiding the cans are tall and thin, easy to pour. Blocking the conveyor belt, improve production efficiency. Metal can flanger machine, it is suitable for flanging, paper tube one side or double side. Flanging good performance and provide better effect to next seaming step. Automatic bottom tin lid seaming machine. A total of 4 seaming rollers are completed at the same time to ensure high sealing performance. Automatic turner flip can machine, it is suitable for turning over the can on the conveying line. Automatic top lid seaming machine. The can body does not rotate during the sealing process and is especially suitable for fragile and liquid products. The sealing speed can reach up to 35 to 50 cans per minute.